Today we are going to find the sum using the regrouping strategy. The first strategy we are going to use today is using base 10 blacks. We are going to add 36 plus 15, but we're going to use base 10 blacks in order to find the sum. We're going to start by adding all of the 10s. So 36 plus 15, 10, 20, 30, and 40. So far we've added just the 10s. Now we're going to add the 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and one more left over, 11. We are able to regroup because we made an entire group of 10. So instead of having 10 ones pieces, we're going to exchange them for one 10 stick. And then we will remove all of the 10s because or all of the ones because we just exchanged it or regrouped it. So we're moving all of these away because we've already added them in the green 10 stick. Notice we have one block left over, so now we find the sum by adding all of the 10s plus the one block. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and one left over. So our sum is 51. The next way that we are going to do it is we are going to use the algorithm way in order to regroup. This time we are going to start in the ones place. We are going to add 6 plus 5, which I know equals 11. However, I cannot leave a group of 10 in the ones place, so I need to regroup it. So I am regrouping the group of 10 and putting it into the tens place. So now I have one group of 10 plus 3 groups of 10 plus one group of 10 to give me a total of 51. Today we learned to find the sum using the regrouping strategy. We used two different strategies, the base 10 block form and the algorithm way.